Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly innovative device that promises to revolutionize how we manage our cables and more. The automatic twist tying machine, also known as the electric twist tie machine or cable wire binding tying machine. This isn't just another gadget. It's a sophisticated solution designed to bring order to chaos. One of the first things that stands out about this machine is its incredible versatility. Imagine the freedom of customizing your cable ties to the exact length you need, thanks to its adjustable cable tie length and customizable coil options. It accommodates a wide range of binding diameters, from a slim 3 all the way up to a robust 28 mm. This means whether you're dealing with delicate USB data cables or thicker power cords, this machine has users covered. Its applications extend far beyond just electronics. It's also perfect for organizing network cables and even for securing food ties, making it a truly multi-purpose tool for both home and professional environments. At its core, this is an efficient automatic binding machine. Crafted from high-quality steel, it's built to last and perform. The automatic thread binding system effortlessly twists and cuts, transforming what used to be a tedious manual task into a quick and seamless operation. This significant saving in time and effort is a game changer, allowing users to streamline their operations and focus on more important tasks. It's a convenient and quick solution that truly delivers on its promise of efficient cable management. Operating this advanced piece of equipment is surprisingly simple, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. The advanced intelligent control panel ensures easy setup and straightforward operations, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. This user-friendly design is a testament to its focus on efficiency and simplifying one's workflow. Underneath its sleek exterior, the machine houses a powerful, high-quality motor. This motor boasts adjustable speed settings, offering users the flexibility to adapt to varying requirements. More importantly, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance, giving users confidence in its efficiency for years to come. This automatic twist tying machine truly stands out as a robust, intelligent, and incredibly practical tool for anyone looking to conquer cable clutter with ease and precision.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.